Hi guys and welcome back. As you can see, I'm not in my beauty room. I'm trying something a little different because of the times and things that are going on. Makeup and beauty and all that kind of stuff is just so weird to film right now. So I wanted to do something a little different. I've been wanting to do cooking videos for a long time. I just don't really have the best things to film with. So forgive my setup. I'm trying, and hopefully this will be good enough quality, good enough lighting. If not, I apologize. I will try and figure it out because I definitely want to film more cooking videos. But today's recipe is super easy. It's going to be a crock pot chicken and dumplings. And I know we're all going through it right now on unemployment. A lot of it hasn't even come through yet. We've been seeing zero monies, guys. I'm in the same boat. I'm rowing in that boat right with you. So things are get a little tough, you know what I mean? So I wanted to do something really easy and make a crock pot dinner. This is not my recipe. It's a recipe I found online. And what I love about this recipe is the fact that there is not a bunch of ingredients. A lot of this stuff you might already have, which is great. And a lot of it is very much in budget, in my opinion. So let me shut up and let's get started. For this recipe, all you will need is some chicken, 2 cans of Grand's flaky layers. I mean, really any biscuits will do. This is just the biscuits that I have. You need 2 cans of cream of chicken. I wanted to get reduced sodium because, as a lot of you already know, I've had kidney stones in the past, so I had to drastically cut down on my sodium intake. So I tried to get reduced sodium or no sodium. They just didn't have any. So I am using the regular cream of chicken, but use what you like. Next, you'll need 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 onion, and of course, your crock pot. Any crock pot should do. So I'm going to go ahead and chop this onion. I'm just going to make very small dices of this onion. Nothing fancy here, just making it quick, easy, simple. Do what you want. It's your recipe. You're the one eating it. Let's not be picky here. Let's just do it. Slice this onion. I don't know about you, but for me, onions don't really burn my eyes. They don't do anything to me, whereas with my husband, he will cry like a baby. So I don't know. Every recipe that I'm doing, I'm cutting the onions. Or any recipe he's doing, I'm cutting the onions. And of course, any ingredient that you don't like, make it your own. Leave it out. Don't use it, you know? So I usually just follow recipes as they are and then kind of kick it up a notch because I like spicy food. I used to not like spicy food, which is really weird, but that is all I'm doing. All right, so we got the onion chop. Now this is the easy part. Pop your lid off here. Dump your chicken in. Maybe I'll get you in here, come on. Dump the chicken in. Now I'm gonna dump in the cream of chicken soup. Come on out, join the party. Both cans going in. Tablespoon of butter. And then what you want to do is add water, but put just enough to cover it. Let's put a little bit more. Boom, just like that. Now we're gonna pop the lid on and then you're gonna put it actually on high. So as you can see, my light is on high, and then we're going to put it on, I'm gonna put it on 5.5 hours. And then we will be back to check on this bad boy. I am gonna put the biscuits back in the fridge because we do not need them right now. I did get them out just to show you that you will need 2 cans of biscuits. So I'm gonna pop these back in the fridge and take them back out when we are at 5 hours, because I did put it on for 5.5. When we get to 5 hours, and then we're gonna put the biscuits in the crock pot and let those cook. So I will see you in 5 hours. Oh my good Lord Jesus, baby. See how much of an amateur I am? Onions. The onions go in, guys. The onions go in. My God. I will get this one day. I'll get it right one day. All All right, onions are in. Whew, I'm glad I caught that. See you in 5. All right, guys, so we are at about 34 minutes left in this recipe. So I started to open my cans of biscuits, and I thought it may be best to go ahead and roll the little balls out on a plate so that I can just hurry up and put them in without losing all of that heat. So I am going to take both of my cans of biscuits and make the dough, or the little dough balls. And I did also want to show you this, hold on. So because I need some flavor, I need more flavor in my dishes than usually what they call for, and I think I mentioned that earlier. So I am going to add a little bit of my own concoction here. I have paprika, extra spicy, salt-free Mrs. Dash, black pepper, and garlic powder. And I mixed it all in here. It's about, I would say, maybe a half teaspoon to a full teaspoon of each. I didn't completely measure it out, but I would say that is about how much of each I used in this. So let's make these dough balls. That wasn't hard, it was just tedious. But we are at 28 minutes, so I definitely wanna drop these in. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop my little concoction here in. And try and lift this without spilling it everywhere. Oh boy, okay, let's add it in. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, that's just going everywhere, ain't it? Oh, baby, lost one. But we're almost done. See you in 30. All right, guys, you ready to see this? Ooh, this looks so good. Look at this. Boom. Oh my God, that looks so good. Wow. I do want to say that the biscuits took longer than that 30 minutes. I swear to you, it took like an extra hour. And I was going back through reading reviews on this, and people were saying that if you didn't break the biscuits up small enough, then it would take forever to cook, which is what my mistake was. So I'm letting you know so you don't have the same mistake. They say to make the balls or dumplings small. So if you do make this, that is one correction. I'm gonna let this cool down, I don't know, about 10-15 minutes, and then we're gonna try it. That chicken on the bottom is so tender, it just fell apart. But look at that, bam, beautiful. All right, you ready to try this? Looks like it's gonna be hot, 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 hot.
It's hot. Very good.
Really good. I'm gonna put some pepper on top.
That's what I was about to say.
Yeah.
Pepper on top would be perfect.
Put some pepper on top. This is really, really good. So other than just the biscuits taking forever to cook, this is bomb. Oh my God. So I hope you liked my first cooking video. This was fun to film. I'm glad to be doing something different. And I'm really excited to film more of these. So give me some suggestions down below and let's start cooking together. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you on my next one. Thanks for watching.